Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a book cover using Canva. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. If you already have one, just log in. Once you're on the home page, go to the search bar at the top and type in book cover. Canva will show you a list of templates made for book covers. Click on the one that says Create Blank, and it will open a new design page. On the left side, you'll see a list of templates. Scroll through and find a style that fits the theme of your book. For example, if you're writing a romance novel, choose a romantic-looking template. If your book is about business, pick something cleaner and professional. Once you find one you like, click it and it will load into your design. Now you can customize everything. Click on the title text and type in your book's title. Click on the author's name and type in your own name. You can also change the font, size, and color by using the toolbar at the top. If you want to change the background image, click on it and press Delete on your keyboard. Then go to the left menu and click on Photos. Search for an image that fits your book. Drag it into your design and adjust it until it looks good. You can also add your own image by clicking Uploads, then Upload from your computer. After uploading, just drag the image onto your design. To move things around, just click and drag. You can also resize text or images by clicking on the corners and dragging them. When you're happy with how your cover looks, click the Share button at the top right, then click Download. Choose PDF print or PNG depending on what you need. Then click Download again, and Canva will save the file to your computer. Now your book cover is ready to use. Thanks for watching.